In this video, you'll learn how to change the default notification sound on your Google Pixel device. By following these steps, you will be able to personalize your alert tones to suit your preferences. Start by locating the Settings app on your Pixel device. This app typically appears as a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the Settings app, look for the option labeled Sound and Vibration. This section contains all the audio-related settings, including those for notifications. Next, scroll down until you find the default notification sound option. Tapping on this will allow you to customize the sound that plays for notifications. Before proceeding, ensure that your volume settings are adjusted to an appropriate level, as this will affect the audibility of your notification sounds. After selecting default notification sound, a list of available tones will appear. Take your time to browse through the various options provided. Each sound can be previewed by tapping on it, which is beneficial for determining which tone you find most suitable. It is advisable to choose a tone that is clear and easily recognizable, as this will help you identify incoming notifications quickly. Once you have chosen your preferred notification sound, look for the option to confirm your selection. This may be labeled as OK or Save. Tapping this will apply the changes you have made. Your new notification tone is now set, and you can test it by triggering a notification if necessary to ensure it works as expected. You can return to the settings at any time to make further changes to your notification sound. Customizing your notification preferences allows you to personalize your experience with your Google Pixel device and enhances your ability to respond to alerts efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next